We've completed the initial assessment. The next step is a full panel scan, then we can discuss the treatment options.
Indulge in the ultimate luxury. Our exclusive collection represents the pinnacle of craftsmanship and style.
The showroom highlights the exquisite softness and luster of the winter collection.
I think the craftsmanship on the shearling is just exquisite this season.
It truly is. The softness is unmatched.
I really love the cut on this one.
It's beautiful, but I wonder if they have it in a darker shade.
From our sterile environment to the final product, we maintain the highest standards, resulting in the finest luxury fur available.
As you can see on the calendar, Group B's mating program is now active.
Ensure your PPE is fitted correctly before handling the specimens. This prevents contamination.
There you go, easy now. You're all right, little one. Just relax. The little guy checks out perfectly. Heart rate is strong, and he's in great condition.
As you can see, the vacuum attachment gently lifts the fiber right off the coat, depositing it directly into the collection bin.
This is the specialized grooming machine. It keeps the process very calm and efficient for the rabbit, as you can see.
As you can see, the Angora wool comes away very easily when they are ready. We just brush gently down the hindquarters. There we go. All finished and looking very handsome.
The specialized vacuum system ensures a continuous flow of high-quality Angora fibers, critical for maintaining the purity of the batch.
The fur length is confirmed at 8 and 15 centimeters. Batch number A512B attached securely. Quality check complete.
Okay, that's the last of the Angora for this run. We should be at the depot by noon.
Across diverse environments, from expansive fields to specialized clinical facilities, our standards.
The golden fiber structures appear to be reacting positively to the blue light spectrum. Analyzing the data streams now.
We have 1 gram of the white, fluffy material. There are no signs of contamination. The structure is holding steady under the light.
Analysis confirms the material is non-toxic and structurally sound. We can proceed with the next phase of testing.
Through a process of vigorous agitation and cleaning within these vats, the material is prepared for its critical role in the veterinary setting.
Of natural enzymes initiates the sterilization process, ensuring the product meets clinical standards before being transferred to the veterinary facility.
The natural enzymes are carefully dispensed into the vat, ensuring a consistent mixture before agitation.
All right, buddy, just checking your heartbeat. You're doing great. Now let's look at these ears.
The automated washing line ensures the material is thoroughly cleaned and purified. Our veterinary facility.
The water purification system utilizes advanced multi-stage filtration, preparing the fiber for its next stage on the conveyor belt.
Once processed and fluffed to perfection, the material is ready for distribution from our clean facility to your location.
The fluffing process utilizes pressurized air to create this remarkable cloud-like expansion, ensuring maximum airiness.
The material is first aerated by pressurized air, then precisely compressed by the rollers before entering the transparent chamber for final processing.
Welcome to the automated processing facility. Here, precision robotics handle the sorting and quality control with unparalleled efficiency.
As the materials enter the transparent chamber, high-velocity air currents agitate the mixture, achieving perfect separation downstream.
Our advanced optical sorter effectively separates the mixed fibers, ensuring maximum purity for the downstream process.
The specialized processing area utilizes air currents to agitate the material before it is sorted and sent via.
The hydraulic press compacts the loose material into dense bales, which are then moved to our specialized assembler.
The compressed bales move steadily along the conveyor system before entering the transparent chamber for agitation and refinement.
Utilizing advanced automation, the production line ensures continuous flow, moving the bales toward the next stage of refinement in the transparent chamber.
The bale approaches the large roller machine and is smoothly fed into its mechanism, transforming into a uniform sheet.
As the material moves along the belt, it's divided into strands before entering the chamber for aeration.
The multiple narrow strands are then brought together and consolidated back into a single, wider, uniform sheet.
Here we use air currents to agitate the fibers, increasing the surface area. This new density is crucial.
After agitation, the fluffy material is formed into a dense sheet and precisely coiled by our specialized machinery.
The eccentric combic precision combs the thick strands, preparing the material for the air agitation chamber, resulting in a cloud-like purity. Inside the eccentric combic, the fluffy material undergoes meticulous combing. This separates and aligns the fibers, visible here in the transparent chamber.
The now combed and refined Angora fiber emerges as a wide, remarkably uniform sheet. It is then
agitated by precise air currents. The fibers are drawn into the mechanism, transforming into a continuous thread before being neatly wound. Here on the factory floor, the fibers are drawn up and twisted into yarn by advanced machinery, maintained in a precisely controlled environment. In this sterile environment, automation drives the meticulous winding of fibers, ensuring every thread meets our exact specifications.
The factory floor operates with precision. Here, the raw material is agitated by pressurized air.
We're seeing full spectral analysis now. Look at the uniformity here.
Oh, remarkable. The structural integrity is exactly what we hypothesized.
Note the slight viscosity change in the blue solution. We should run the sequence again at a lower temperature.
Vial 34B, sample confirmed. Gently tapping the powder for consistency check before securing the cap.
Sample 4B is loaded. Beginning the fiber analysis sequence. Analysis complete. The fibers show no degradation under UV exposure. Results logged.
Analyzing the Angora pearl white ensures unparalleled quality. Our integrated production line operates with
As you can see, our automated systems ensure continuous production flow throughout the facility.
Ensure each large white spool is securely in place. Then carefully lower the metal rack into the treatment vat. As the vat opens, the robotic arm lifts the perfectly dyed spools, transferring them efficiently to the conveyor system.
The automated system ensures a continuous flow of our diverse yarn products, dyed to specification before.
Utilizing advanced automation, the colored spools are precisely guided into the processing machine for final drying and finishing.
The conveyor system ensures a continuous flow, treating the yarn with a fine mist before it enters the processing unit.
Tensile strength holding steady at 98%. Tension 50 newtons. Test passed.
Analysis complete. The color consistency meets standard deviation parameters. Logging the data now.
This synchronized motion is mesmerizing. It allows us to produce thousands of yards of fabric every day with pinpoint accuracy.
Attention all floor staff. Line 3 is exceeding target efficiency by 15%.
This is where the magic happens. Our circular knitting machines run 24/7, turning these spools into thousands of...
This specialized machine uses a focused blue laser to precisely bond the fibers, creating...
In this sterile environment, our multi-jointed robotic arms handle textiles with microscopic precision.
Magnification increased. Note the uniformity of the white fibers at this scale. No signs of degradation.
Examining the fibers under the light box reveals excellent uniformity and texture. The translucency is precisely as expected.
The automated system applies the Angora certified stamp, a mark of unparalleled quality and origin.
The machine repeatedly presses down on the stack of small white rectangular pads, ensuring uniform density before packaging.
All units maintain optimal processing speed. The next scheduled maintenance is at 400 hours.
This feels amazing, exactly like the sketches.
Yes, the fluffiness is consistent across the batch.
What do you think of this texture for the new line?
It's incredibly soft. I like how it drapes. Let's see how it looks on the digital model.
If we adjust the lapel width here, it will drape much better.
I agree, that improves the flow significantly.
Let's move ahead with the revision.
As you can see, the projected pattern guides the high-intensity laser, ensuring a clean cut through 50 layers of material. This gantry-style laser system precisely navigates the stacked fabric, demonstrating the efficiency and transformative power of modern manufacturing.
We use advanced laser technology to handle both thick fleece and delicate silks with unmatched accuracy.
We use the laser cutter for precision, but the initial rolling still requires a careful hand to ensure the fibers align correctly.
Look at the precision on those cuts. The laser is performing exactly as simulated.
Excellent precision on the curve there. This fluffy fabric can be difficult, but the robot handles it well.
And that is how you get a perfect finish every time. Ready for the clinic.
The way the light integrates with the fabric is stunning. Look at how seamlessly it curves around the collar.
We ensure every emblem is precisely centered before securing it with the crimping tool.
All right, the collar is set. Make sure the lighting highlights the stitching.
There we are, perfectly folded and ready to go. The stitching on this one is just perfect.
There we are, another perfect stack ready to go.
The Tokyo and Paris crates need to be routed to Beijing 12 immediately.
A dramatic shift indeed, as the spotlight catches the crisp lines of this exquisite white coat.
The collection focuses on sophisticated silhouettes and rich textures, highlighting the elegance of minimalist design.
Look at that dress, it's stunning. The lighting here is incredible.
Did you see the detail on the jacket? Absolutely gorgeous.